Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
So, Alex, imagine creating something in your college dorm room that billions of people use every single day. Sounds impossible, right?
Not for Mark Zuckerberg. Today, we're diving into his incredible story, and you'll learn 12 super useful B1 phrases and collocations.
Here's how it works. Listen carefully. Shadow, that means repeat immediately after us, and then use it in your own sentence.
Plus, we've got 3 mini quizzes coming up, so don't skip ahead. Let's get started.
All right, Alex, let's talk about Mark Zuckerberg. Who exactly is he?
Well, Lily, Mark Zuckerberg is the co-founder and CEO of Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. He's one of the youngest billionaires in the world.
That's right. And his journey is absolutely fascinating. He was born on May 14th, 1984 in White Plains, New York.
Even as a kid, Mark showed incredible talent with computers. His parents noticed early on that he had a special gift.
Let's learn our first phrase, showed talent.
This means to demonstrate or display a natural ability or skill in something.
Example sentence. Mark showed talent in computer programming when he was just a teenager.
Repeat after me. Mark showed talent in computer programming.
Your turn. Think about something you're good at. Say, I showed talent in, and complete the sentence.
So, Lily, Mark's father was a dentist, and even in his dental office, Mark created a messaging program called ZuckNet.
That's amazing. He was only about 12 years old when he did that. His family used it to communicate between the house and the dental office.
Right, and then he went to Phillips Exeter Academy, a prestigious high school, where he continued developing his programming skills.
During high school, he created a music recommendation software called Synapse.
Here's phrase number 2, prestigious school.
This means a highly respected educational institution with an excellent reputation.
Example sentence. Mark attended Phillips Exeter Academy, a prestigious school in New Hampshire.
Repeat after me. He attended a prestigious school.
Your turn. Can you name a prestigious school in your country? Try saying it in a sentence.
After high school, Mark enrolled at Harvard University in 2002. That's where the Facebook story really begins.
Exactly. He studied computer science and psychology, but he was more interested in creating things than just studying.
He created several projects in his dorm room, including a program called FaceMash.
FaceMash was controversial, though. It allowed students to compare photos of other students. Harvard wasn't happy about it.
Let's learn phrase 3, enrolled at.
This means to officially register or join an educational institution or program.
Example sentence. Mark enrolled at Harvard University when he was 18 years old.
Repeat after me. He enrolled at Harvard University.
Your turn. Where did you enroll to study? Say, I enrolled at.
All right, everyone, time for our first mini quiz. Listen carefully.
Which phrase means to demonstrate a natural ability? A, enrolled at. B, showed talent.
I'll give you 3 seconds. The answer is B, showed talent.
Great job. Now repeat after me. She showed talent in music from a young age.
So, Lily, in February 2004, Mark launched the Facebook from his dorm room with his roommates.
Yes, he co-founded it with Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes.
At first, it was only for Harvard students, but it quickly expanded to other universities.
The idea was simple but powerful. Connect college students online with their real identities.
Phrase number 4, co-founded with.
This means to establish or start an organization or company together with one or more other people.
Example sentence. Mark co-founded Facebook with his college roommates in 2004.
Repeat after me. He co-founded the company with his friends.
Your turn. If you started a business with someone, say, I co-founded a business with.
Within 24 hours of launching, over 1,000 Harvard students had signed up.
That's incredible. The platform spread like wildfire to other Ivy League schools.
By the end of 2004, Facebook had 1 million users. Can you imagine?
Mark decided to drop out of Harvard in his sophomore year to focus on Facebook full-time.
Here's phrase 5, drop out of.
This means to leave school, college, or university before completing your studies.
Example sentence. Mark decided to drop out of Harvard to focus on building Facebook.
Repeat after me. He dropped out of Harvard in 2004.
Your turn. Do you know anyone who dropped out of school? Try making a sentence.
So, Mark moved to Palo Alto, California, which is in Silicon Valley, the tech capital of the world.
That's where all the magic happens. He rented a house, and that became Facebook's first real office.
In 2005, the company dropped "the" from the name and became simply Facebook.
They also received their first major investment, $12.7 million from Excel partners.
Phrase number 6, received investment.
This means to get money from investors or companies to help grow your business.
Example sentence. Facebook received investment from venture capital firms in its early years.
Repeat after me. The startup received investment from several investors.
Your turn. If you had a business idea, what would you do with investment money?
By 2006, Facebook was open to anyone over 13 years old with a valid email address.
That was a game changer. It went from a college network to a global platform.
Companies like Yahoo and Microsoft tried to buy Facebook, but Mark turned them down.
He believed in his vision for connecting the world, even when offered billions of dollars.
Let's learn phrase 7, turned down.
This means to reject or refuse an offer, proposal, or opportunity.
Example sentence. Mark turned down a $1 billion offer from Yahoo in 2006.
Repeat after me. He turned down several buyout offers.
Your turn. Have you ever turned down an opportunity? Say, I turned down.
Time for mini quiz number 2. Ready?
Which phrase means to reject an offer? A, turned down. B, received investment.
The answer is A, turned down.
Excellent. Repeat after me. She turned down the job offer because she had better options.
Facebook continued to grow rapidly. By 2012, it reached 1 billion users worldwide.
1 billion. That's more than the population of most countries.
And in May 2012, Facebook went public, meaning it started selling shares on the stock market.
The initial public offering, or IPO, was one of the biggest in tech history.
Phrase number 8, went public.
This means when a private company starts selling shares to the public on the stock market.
Example sentence. Facebook went public in 2012 and Mark became one of the youngest billionaires.
Repeat after me. The company went public last year. Your turn. Would you invest in a company that just went public?
Under Mark's leadership, Facebook acquired several other companies.
That's right. In 2012, they bought Instagram for $1 billion.
And in 2014, they acquired WhatsApp for $19 billion, one of the largest tech acquisitions ever.
Mark saw the future of mobile messaging and social media, and he acted on it.
Here's phrase 9, acquired companies.
This means to buy or take control of other businesses or organizations.
Example sentence. Meta has acquired companies like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus.
Repeat after me. The tech giant acquired companies to expand its services. Your turn. If you could acquire any company, which one would it be?
Mark's vision extended beyond social media. He became interested in virtual reality and the metaverse.
Yes, in 2014, Facebook bought Oculus VR, a virtual reality company, for $2 billion.
And in 2021, Mark made a huge announcement. Facebook would rebrand as Meta.
This was a bold move, signaling the company's focus on building the metaverse, a virtual world where people can interact.
Phrase number 10, made an announcement.
This means to publicly declare or reveal important information or news.
Example sentence. In 2021, Mark made an announcement that Facebook would become Meta.
Repeat after me. The CEO made an announcement about the company's future. Your turn. Have you ever made an announcement? Say, I made an announcement about.
Beyond business, Mark is also known for his philanthropy.
In 2015, he and his wife, Priscilla Chan, pledged to give away 99% of their Facebook shares to charitable causes.
They created the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, which focuses on education, science, and equality.
That's billions of dollars dedicated to making the world a better place.
Let's learn phrase 11, dedicated to.
This means committed to a particular purpose, cause, or activity.
Example sentence. Mark and Priscilla are dedicated to improving education and healthcare worldwide.
Repeat after me. They are dedicated to helping others. Your turn. What cause are you dedicated to? Say, I am dedicated to.
Of course, Mark's journey hasn't been without challenges.
That's true. Facebook has faced criticism over privacy issues, misinformation, and its impact on mental health.
Mark has had to testify before Congress multiple times to address these concerns.
Despite the controversies, he remains focused on innovation and connecting people globally.
And our final phrase, number 12, faced criticism.
This means to receive negative feedback, blame, or disapproval from others.
Example sentence. Mark has faced criticism over how Facebook handles user data and privacy.
Repeat after me. The company faced criticism for its policies. Your turn. Have you ever faced criticism for something? How did you respond? All right, everyone, final mini quiz. Let's see how much you remember.
Which phrase means committed to a particular purpose? A, faced criticism. B, dedicated to. The answer is B, dedicated to.
Perfect. Repeat after me. He is dedicated to learning English every day.
Wow, Alex, what an inspiring story. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 12 phrases we learned today.
Great idea. Here they are. Showed talent. Demonstrated natural ability. Prestigious school. Highly respected institution. Enrolled at. Officially registered at. Co-founded with. Started a company together. Drop out of. Leave school early. Received investment. Got money from investors.
And the next 6. 7, turned down, rejected an offer. 8, went public, started selling shares. 9, acquired companies, bought other businesses. 10, made an announcement, publicly declared news. 11, dedicated to, committed to a cause. 12, faced criticism, received negative feedback.
These phrases are so useful. You can use them to talk about any successful person's biography.
Absolutely. Practice using them in your own sentences this week.
When you think quietly, what good news do you feel inside?
I feel thankful, I feel hopeful, and I feel happy that we are learning English together.
That's beautiful. Sometimes the best good news is peace of mind.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Progress is good news. Every word you learn is good news.
Final message to listeners. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we'd love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and truly appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.